another mission. Let's get this done.
July, we need you to retrieve a critical vial from the laboratory on floor 15. These men will escort you.
Understood, sir. What's in the vial?
Stay alert. Something doesn't feel right in here.
Alpha!
Bravo! No! Elevator's out, but I can rappel down these cables to reach the lab floor. Lab corridor clear. Need to find the main research lab with the vial. Infected scientists everywhere. Keep moving, keep shooting. No keycard, no problem. These charges should do the trick. I'm in. But that explosion just called every zombie in the building. Where is it? The vial has to be here somewhere. Timer's running out. They're everywhere. The glass won't hold much longer. Gotcha. Die, you frick! This is it! The blood sample! What I've been looking for! I need to get out of this hell. Lab secured, vial safe. Now I need to find a way out of this building. Die! Finally, getting out of this nightmare! Top floor, here I come! Finally, I can breathe again. Now to get to that rooftop. I need a vacation!
I need to get to headquarters to deliver the blood sample.
Mayday! Mayday! I'm going down! Does anyone hear me? Shit.